Pectus. Shall we? Pectusan mo nga to mga to. May anak ka na. Ikaw ang anak ko. Hello, Joshua Pascor po. Parang nagkabukol ako kanina dun sa pag-untog ko sa puno ng rambutan. Parang may bukol ako. Ang malas ko today. Ano tatanong ko? May kasama ka bang pamilya dyan sa Australia? Evia, hello. Good evening. Hi, Busy Mode Storm. Welcome back to my live. How are you? Guys, help me. Help! Thank you for tapping. Walang pangalan yung level 8. Ano daw? Mr. India, hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hello, sweetie. Hello, honey bun sugar plum. Pam. You're my sweetie pie. You're my honey bun sugar pie. Pam. Guys, help nyo ko maka 3 stars. Sige na. Malapit na akong mag-end. Malay pa pala. Hi, ASCII. Sige na, guys. Nawala na naman yung ating red lip eh. Hi, Hades. Hello, Shelby. Kamusta, Hades? Buti pa yung mga hindi ko binabati, bigla-bigla nagbabagsak eh. Anong gagawin dito? Magpapakute na lang. When the day is said and done in the middle of the night and you fast asleep, my love. Wala kasi akong extra phone. Stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. Cause so many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why still have to hold me, girl, when I'm still trying? Hi, Raz. Welcome back, Raz. Good evening. Try to get my